he says. And also, Charlie, if you're seeing this, this is Charlie, my Matthew's cousin's friend. And by the way, if you're watching this, Charlie, look what we're doing. We are doing what we're here. Matthew is come home. I mean, no, Matthew's come at my house. I mean, yeah. So, yeah, I'll see you on Sunday. Or no, I'll do some more videos today anyway, as well. Hopefully, if I get time. Anyway, it's 5 o'clock for me now in the afternoon. I'll see you at I'll see you at 6, 7, or 8, or Sunday. So anyway, peace.